Are you tired of applying to Salesforce jobs over and over and never ever hearing back? I get it. It feels like you're sending your resume into a black hole. Well, the problem is usually pretty simple. You're probably using the wrong site. Most big job boards just don't get seen by the actual recruiters who make the decisions. But I'm going to show you the official portal where they actually look. Let's fix this. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to find and apply for jobs directly on Salesforce Careers. First, we're going to search for the site. Then we'll navigate to the actual job listings and get you set up to apply. So start by opening your browser and typing your search. And here's the thing. Don't just search for Salesforce jobs. That's going to pull up a ton of third-party sites. Instead, type exactly what I've used here, Salesforce Careers. That specific phrase is your key. It filters out all the noise. All right, from the search results, you're going to see a lot of links. You want the one that's the official Salesforce website. It will say Salesforce Careers and usually has the official Salesforce logo next to it. Don't click on the ads or the third-party job aggregators. Use the main link that brings you to Salesforce's company page for careers. Now we're on the careers page. It looks professional, maybe a bit big and flashy, but we need to find the jobs. Look around the page for a button that says Search for Jobs or something very similar. Sometimes it's a big button in the center, sometimes it's in the top menu. Click that button. This is your gateway into the actual list of open positions. Great, now you're on the job listings page. This is where the real work starts. You'll see a search bar and a list of open roles. I usually start by just looking at the full list, but you can also use the filters they provide. You can filter by location, by team, like sales or engineering, or by job type, like full-time or remote. Don't just look at the first page. Scroll through a few pages. Spend some time here browsing. Think about what you're actually good at and what you would enjoy doing. Once you see a job title that catches your eye, click on it. This will open up the full job description. Now, read this carefully. I know it's tempting to just hit apply, but slow down. Read the requirements. Read the responsibilities. This is where you figure out if you're a good fit and how to tailor your resume. Look for keywords they use. Are they asking for specific Salesforce products like Sales Cloud or Service Cloud? Note those down. This is the information that will help your application get noticed later. Finally, you're ready to apply. Look for the Apply button. It's usually a big blue button. Click it. It will take you to a new page where you'll either sign in to an existing account or create a new profile on Salesforce's official hiring system. Follow the prompts carefully. Upload your resume, fill out the basic information, and answer any specific questions they ask. And that's it. You're now applying directly through the official Salesforce Careers portal, exactly where the recruiters are looking. No more relying on random job boards. You're in the right system with the right people. Thanks for sticking with me, and good luck with your applications.